Let me show you how I got from this to this. Mm, isn't that beautiful? And it tasted so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so there we go. I have all of my ingredients all there, so I'll be blending them. So that I have bell pepper, I have garlic, I have ginger, spring onions, I have just make your own whatever it is you want to use, but this is what I used. And we add in some oil. I'll bring all of these to a blend. And mind you, I also added spices like different other kind of herbs into that mixture before blending. Then I give that a good blend, and then I will be adding some parsley or parsley. Okay, so these are the vegetables I'll be using for stuffing, if you know what I mean. And over there, you saw me just adding some grilled garlic. And on this side, I have mixed spices, and I will be adding everything together. Isn't that looking beautiful already? Trust. Okay. Mix everything up together and make sure they are well combined. Now you see that grilled garlic over there the other time? Yes, just put that everything together and mix. Everything had to be well mixed. So here I have, remember that all of those vegetables and herbs that was blended. Yes, put those in together, and I will be putting that or those bottles, bringing that to melting them together. Added those mixture of spices and herbs and mix ingredients, everything together. It's looking beautiful already. We've not gotten to the fun part yet, but just wait for it. We'll get to the fun part in a few minutes. Now this I have it's been in that water for about 24 hours, and we will bringing that to a pat dry and making sure that there no water is well dried, right? Okay, and make sure you dry because we'll be putting this in the oven after marinating. See what I mean? Yeah. So that's the fun part I was talking about. Then we'll make sure everything about that turkey or bird, or whatever you want to call it, is well and generously covered, marinated. And those vegetables that I showed you a while ago, yes, also put that in the mixture and stuff them, stuff them into that big bowl. Okay, so finish that process and make sure everything was looking good. Everywhere about this big bird has been well marinated, and we will be closing that up. Have some more garlics, rub them out just to make sure everything is in good and well combination. Okay. Okay, I guess you guys all know this part. That is well, it could be very delicious if you marinate and cook it well. So that's the neck of the bird, and you'll just put everything in the stuff side. Added some more herbs, and that will be we'll be cover that, and we'll be putting it into the refrigerator for overnight. I'll show you what I mean in a bit. Okay, so place it in the pan where you'll be grilling, and make sure you have placed everything and everything is well set. Covered it in a very good, like, make sure it's well covered, like, of course, you know. And we'll keep this marinated in the refrigerator for 8 hours or overnight, or this was left for overnight. So